First thing you want to do, or what I like to do, is I put a little bit of the old oil on the gasket. Hand tight is good. It's not good to over tighten those. That's about good. We got our drain plug back in. We torqued our drain plug down, so we're done from at least at the bottom of the car. Okay, so I couldn't find my car funnel, so I had to go grab my funnel out my house. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do. I gotta buy one later on the day anyway, but thinking about getting the leak proof or spill proof funnels that they have for the oil. Your oil type most of the time would be on the cap that says 5W20. If it's not, you can either look it up online. It's pretty easy to find, or go to AutoZone. This car I think has about 135,000 miles on it, so I'm gonna go on and put the full synthetic, high mileage full synthetic in it. And this specific car takes about 4.2 quarts. Alright, time to check it. I just always wipe it off first. One, two, three. One, two, three. Alrighty. And we're all set.
Alright, now, give her a crank, see if we got any leaks.
Alright, I always like to double check my work. Look under the car, make sure we don't have no oil leaks. And we're looking good.